Hi, I'm AJ Tyre from Perth Scorchers.
Hi, my name's Nick Hobson from the Perth Scorchers, and I'm down here with Peet at the Community Fan Day at Lakelands.
Giving back, having a bit of fun with the community down here. The fact that Peet have put on these community days for the families to come down on a Sunday morning, get involved, have some fun, and really sort of come together is really awesome.
I think the most important thing is just to have kids engaged with the game and develop a skill base, and it's really great that Peet are able to provide that.
It's really important for kids to really get together, make new friends, and sort of really get involved in the community. It makes a really good sort of spirit around the place and makes everyone feel safe and happy.